Hello, sir. So we are here to present our J component presentation, review 1, on the topic smart irrigation system using Bluetooth module and controller that monitors various soil parameters and sends the information directly to the farmer's phone. And I am Karmanya Tyagi, 19 BC 1053.
I'm Dhyani Desai, 19 BC 1218.
I'm Zeel Desai, 19 BC 1229.
We'll carry on with the further presentation, and I'll start with the presentation with introduction and objective.
Now, the reason for choosing this subject was that in India, agriculture plays an influential role for development in food production and also for the economy and development of the country. In India, agriculture field use proper method of irrigation. Using proper method of irrigation plays a very paramount role. Indian agriculture is mainly reliant on monsoon, which is not reliable source of water. Therefore, there is a need for smart irrigation system in the country, which can provide sufficient amount of water to the farms or fields according to the soil moisture content. Many areas of agriculture field are effectively over or under irrigated due to spatial variability in water infiltration and runoff of rainfall and irrigation. Under irrigated areas are subjected to water stress resulting in production loss, while over irrigated area suffer from plant disease and nutrition leaching. Relevant soil water level is a mandatory method for optimum irrigation of plants. As we know, a lot of water is also wasted if the pump is not turned on timely, due to which a lot of wastage of water is done, and this sustainable resource is not maintained properly. As we have shown in different studies provided in different research papers, we found that the irrigation in the country is directly proportional to the yield of the crop. If the irrigation is well, farmers won't face any trouble in having a high yield crop. So the major objective of our project is to provide automatic irrigation to crops. It will save our time, it will save our money, it will also save the power, and it will definitely increase our crop yield. A research has found that if we have proper maintenance of soil health by watering the plants at an optimum amount of time and optimum quantity, it will increase your crop yield to 25 to 30%, which is a very good yield for a farmer. So automatic irrigation system would definitely help a farmer in this area. Also, as this automatic irrigation system need not need you to be present at the moment, the farmer can directly control the irrigation of the plants systematically by using it at their homes. The remote irrigation system knows the humidity of the soil and it sets some point. After reaching a certain point, it will automatically turn on the valves and help you irrigate the farm. This system is also used to irrigate very large areas as it only needs to divide the whole land into number of sectors and the single microcontroller can control this entire process. Due to which wastage of water is also not much in this process as many of time farmers forget to turn off this pump, the system will automatically do this. So the objective of this process will help us to save our very essential resource as water also. Talking about the money factor, the sensors that we're using and the Bluetooth module do not cost much compared to the water turning and turning of the pump manually and wastage of water. Hence, this system is a very optimum for irrigation in India.
So now, we are going to talk about the literature review that we have used for our project. And the first paper that we have considered for the literature review is, it shows an automated irrigation system was designed based on Bluetooth to use in the agricultural crops. The Bluetooth is a wireless radio communication between the farmer's smartphone and the Arduino. The Bluetooth is preferred because of its cost efficient so that it can be affordable to almost all farmers. This paper describes the details of the design and instrumentation of wireless network, control of irrigation system with correct soil water and temperature content. Also, the light emitted by AC load is also sensed by LDR. The information on the Arduino is displayed in the LDR. The experimental results show that the use of Bluetooth in the irrigation process of agriculture could become a practical tool for agriculture. So now we will see the second paper. Second paper was written by R. Ashok, G. Giamina, T. Shobhana, and the abstract of this paper, what we have read is, agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy. It ranks among top 5 countries globally in the production of agricultural products. So about 50% of Indian population depends on agricultural sector to meet their day-to-day expenses. The current irrigation system practiced in India are sprinkler and water irrigation, tank water irrigation, inundation irrigation, etc. These irrigation methods are less efficient as they do not scatter to the requirement of the moisture level of soil and do not make efficient use of water resource. In future, as population increases, demand for food crops increases, which eventually results in depending on water resource on a large scale. Currently, many efficient utilization of water as soil is constantly monitored with the help of moisture sensor, and based on the readings, crop is irrigated with the help of motor. This is done using the IoT technology. Main ideology behind this project is to reduce human intervention and efficiently make use of water. This is made possible by sending the received data to the Android device using Bluetooth technology using Bluetooth module. The entire system is controlled and executed by Arduino Uno board microcontroller. So now we will see the third paper, which was written by A. Salam AI Amril, and it was the best paper that we have considered because it shows in which the paper presents the design of a model of an irrigation system based on a wireless sensor network. The user controller provided with information from the receiver board and the transmitted sensors data through the transmitter board. The receiver board is used to receive a real-time sensor data from a transmitter to a PC monitor via serial connection and forming a database for future uses. MATLAB, Simulink, and neural network are used for control system to improve the performance. So now we have seen the literature review. Now we'll look at the hardware software. The hardware projects are Arduino board, Bluetooth module, temp sensor, temperature sensor, which is moisture sensor, gas sensor, motor pump, 5-volt battery, breadboard, and wires. So only the required software for this project to continue is Arduino IDE and ThinkSpeak, which will be used to complete the execution of this project. So here on the right, you can see there is a block diagram in which the hardware and software components are connected. So the laptop, relay, and DC motor are connected directly to the Arduino board, and the Arduino board is then connected to the moisture sensor, gas sensor, and Bluetooth module and Android device.
This is Zeel, and I'm going to continue with the methodology that we are going to incorporate in a smart irrigation system. In a smart irrigation system, it uses a microcontroller-based controlled remote system, which is developed for the agriculture plantation, and it requires water for irrigation when the humidity of the soil goes below the set point value. Now, here if we consider the set point value to be very high, then the motor is turned on. On the other hand, if we consider the set point value to be low, the motor is turned off. The water outlet valve of the pump is electronically controlled by a soil moisture sensing circuit. The sensor is placed on the soil where the crop is being cultivated. The sensor converts the moisture content in the soil into the equivalent voltage, and it is given to a sensing circuit which has a reference voltage. Now, when the program is loaded into the Arduino, the soil moisture sensor begins to show the value of soil moisture. Here, if the value is lesser than the set point value, the pump will be turned on to irrigate the system. And if the value is equal or higher than the given value, the pump will be switched off. This will ensure that it provides right amount of water at right time. There is complete indication of soil health, that is, it displays the soil temperature and gas content on the farmer's phone, and which enables him to take the correct decision regarding adding the quantity of fertilizers and thereby improving crop growth. Now, with the work completed with results, we have already ordered the hardware components, whether it be sensors, moisture sensor, gas sensor, water pump, wires, breadboard, and Arduino. In the software status, we have after assembling the hardware, we have completed the code for water pump and moisture sensor. In the conclusion of our project, in this work, we have successfully implemented the smart irrigation system to efficiently irrigate the crops with less human intervention and efficiently make use of water resource. The project mainly focuses on people engaged in the field of agriculture, where the system automates and regulates the watering to the crops. The moisture sensor senses the moisture level, and if the moisture level is below the desired level, then automatically the motor is switched on. After the moisture level reaches the desired level, the motor is switched off. The primary application of the project is for the farmers and gardeners who do not have enough time to water their plants. The proposed system is designed in such a way that it is highly efficient in consumption of power and it is cost effective as well as user friendly. The system is developed to accommodate the changes in future and to cater the needs of the future consumption. Thank you.